The scene opens with a vibrant jungle, filled with lush greenery and the sounds of chirping birds. The camera zooms in on Lily and Max, two siblings dressed in explorer gear, standing at the edge of the jungle. Narrator, voiceover, in a jungle teeming with life, adventure awaited two young explorers, Lily and Max. The children exchange excited glances before stepping into the jungle. The camera follows them as they walk deeper into the foliage. As Lily and Max venture further into the jungle, they hear the rustling of leaves and the distant chatter of animals. Lily, whispering to Max, "Did you hear that, Max? It sounds like something's over there." They follow the sounds and come across a hidden path covered in vines and colorful flowers. Max, pointing, "Look, Lily. A secret path." Lily and Max exchange determined looks before embarking on their new adventure down the path. The siblings emerge from the dense foliage into a breathtaking, sunlit clearing. The camera pans over the vibrant flowers, towering trees, and an array of small, talking animals. Narrator, voiceover, in the heart of the jungle, they stumbled upon a place of wonder. Holly, the wise old parrot, lands gracefully in front of Lily and Max. Holly, with a friendly smile, "Welcome, young adventurers. We've been waiting for you." Holly introduces Lily and Max to the jungle animals, including Milo the monkey, Tessa the tortoise, and Sammy the sloth. They all gather around in curiosity. Milo, playfully, "Hiya, kids. You're in for a wild ride." Tessa, slowly, "Greetings, young ones. We have a mystery to solve." Sammy, stretching, "And we'll do it, slowly." Holly explains the dire situation about the disappearing waterfall, and the camera shows the jungle animals looking worried. Holly, with concern, "Our waterfall is drying up, and the jungle is suffering. We need your help to solve this mystery." Lily and Max exchange determined looks. Lily, with determination, "We're in. We'll do whatever it takes." Max, nodding, "Yeah, we're a team." Holly smiles, and the camera captures the newly formed team of humans and animals as they set off on their quest to save the jungle. Continue with scenes of adventure, challenges, and new friends they meet along the way, leading up to the climax of their confrontation with Zara, the evil sorceress, in a dramatic showdown.